Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Bitcoin at number 1, followed by Ethereum, BNB, Solana, XRP, Dogecoin, Tron, and then we're ending with Toncoin at number 10. Let's get straight into it. Bitcoin against USD. Okay, we're clearly under the skinny pink line. But again, the question still remains, where is the bearish reversal chart pattern? This is not a bearish reversal. If anything, this is a broadening, which broadening wages are bullish continuation. But there are also signs where it's already under the skinny pink line. So there's some confusion. It's confusing. So over here, right, I feel this is similar to this. When things were dropping, right, I was like, it's a bit confusing. We're already under the skinny pink line. There was a head and shoulders over here, right? I mean, of course, hindsight is always 2020. Can we reverse this? Replay. Okay, we were here. All right, let's turn off all the ice. Right, we were here. So I'm like, this is weird. One, that's a head and shoulders bearish reversal chart pattern. At the same time, we're falling in a very controlled manner, right? We're not like lightning falling, bam, bam, bam. We're not. See, so it's very controlled. So it's like, sure, going by the rules, we should be switching to a bearish bias, right? But eventually, yeah, tricky tricks, right? Tricky tricks. So what happened? Bitcoin had a strong rally over here, right? It went above the skinny pink line. And eventually, we still got a bearish reversal chart pattern in the form of a head and shoulder. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We collapsed down. We had a target over here, 15,000. We hit the target, and after that, we started reversing. So, whoa, okay. Anyway, the point being that, yeah, this is similar. So like, where is the bearish reversal chart pattern? I don't see it. But we're under the skinny pink line, right? So which means that the bearish trend should actually be on. And we are, we actually touched it, came back up, we crossed it again. So I'm like, Anyway, I'm expecting it to drop maybe a little bit lower to this noisy area over here. 51,000, I don't know, 900, 800, 700, somewhere around here. Right, the noisy area, right, the center of the noisy area, somewhere here. And after that, hopefully a strong rally back up, right? Otherwise, I think we're continuing much lower to the noisy area over here for BTC. Around 43, right? 43,000, 44, 43. Yeah, a lot of people are calling for this. So I'm like, it could very well happen though. But again, there's no bearish reversal chart pattern here. So I don't know if you're going to be dropping all the way to the next noisy area over here, right? At around sub 30k, right? And then once this breaks, there's a noisy area here, right? At around above 20k, somewhere around here. Either here or here, right? Here as well. So it's like the same thing while we were going up, right? There was a noisy area over here. So when things were rising, bam, we hit the noisy area over here. We consolidate a little bit. And then after that, we rose to this noisy area. You see that? It was a little bit of a break. We went a little higher, took out the highs of this noisy area, right? Bear trend ends. We drop, and then we continue higher, right? And now, here we are. Yeah, again, there was a noisy area over here as well. You see this? This was where we stopped before rising a little bit higher. You see that? So again, noisy area over here. I think we drop a little bit more though. That's my take for BTC. Yeah, just a little bit more downside. And after that, we'll have to see the reaction of the price, whether there's going to be a strong rally or whether it's going to be falling back down. If there's a strong rally, we could very well be doing something like this, right? So the target that we have is actually 92k. The boys and I have a target at 92. Sure, there's another target a little bit higher than that, about 114. And after that, there's another one, roughly, somewhere around 150. But again, we'll take things one step at a time. If things start dropping, then of course we'll start having downside targets. For now, there are no targets for BTC because we're not entirely sure what the deal is. So yeah, my take is just a little bit more downside. Hopefully a strong reaction, right? Because this looks to me like an inverse head and shoulders setup as well, right? I mean, if we were to inverse the entire chart, right, this looks like a Mountain range. Mountain, 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 mountain. We're waiting for the next mountain to happen. After that, pump, we drop lower. Right. This is a mountain range. Okay, let's inverse it back. Ta-da! Do you see that? So I think that's yeah, there's potentially a little bit more downside first for BTC. ETH against BTC. Here we are for Ethereum. Ending for Ethereum. Okay, for Ethereum against BTC. Ta-da! We have a target fresh out of the oven at 3640. More downsides to be expected for ETH BTC. We're at 4.1. I think we're going to 3.6. So more downsides to be expected. Again, noisy area over here. If we continue dropping lower, how much lower are we going to go to? My estimation is we'll probably clear the clusters of cells here. Right. We'll take out this low. So probably sub 0.03. So yeah, again, I think there's more downside for ETH BTC. It ain't looking good, bruh. It ain't looking good. ETH against USD under the skinny pink line. Again, there is a mountain number 1. Right, before ETH fell, there was mountain number 1, mountain number 2, mountain number 3, we fell. We crossed the skinny pink line with volatility. I'm expecting mountain number 2 to appear over here. Right, so that's why I was saying maybe for BTC we'll drop a little bit lower, and then there could be a rally coming on. And this could be the setup for a bearish continuation towards the downside. Right, there could be a strong rally though for ETH. We'll probably clear the clusters of highs over here. Not too sure about this, but potentially, if there's a strong rally, we'll probably take out, we'll go to about 2006. My guess is we go to 2006. And after that, we form mountain number 2. That's my take for ETH USD. So, yeah, once we form mountain number 2, we get number 3, right? I don't think it's going to be textbook perfect though. But we're expecting a bearish continuation chart pattern. And this will bring us to sub 2000, more likely than not. Sure, we could also just drop from here. But this will not be a bearish reversal chart pattern anymore. Sorry, a bearish continuation. This could be a potential bullish reversal. But again, we'll have to take things one step at a time. I think there's more downside for Ethereum, and I think that Ethereum is in the midst of a wave C. A, B, down for a wave C. Midway. Right. I'm expecting about 1,200 plus minus. So, yeah. Probably clearing the lows over here. Clearing all the clusters of cells here and here as well. Right. So this could be a descending triangle as we drop lower. And then another bearish continuation, we drop lower. Clear these clusters of cells. And then hopefully we start a revolution. And then we get a wave D. A, B, C, D. Get a wave E. That's it. We go to Valhalla. But as it stands, yeah, we don't see it yet. So yeah, we're gonna have to be patient. BNB against BTC. Okay, BNB is the only one. Right, one of the top 3 coins. Is it top 3? Okay, top 5, top 5. Top 5 coin that is still above the skinny pink line. So the bullish trend is still intact for BNB. I suspect that a strong rally will coincide with the release of CZ. So you got to keep that in mind. CZ is going to get released more likely than not in the next few weeks. So you got to watch out for that. I think there's a strong rally coming on for BNB, BTC, and against USD as well. Things are looking pretty bullish for me. So I think that more likely than not, it's safer to be going long for BNB. Right? Yes, we did touch the skinny pink line, but BTC is already under the skinny pink line. Ethereum is under, BNB is still above. So you see the strength for BNB. Yeah, I think it's going to coincide with the release of CZ. So a right shoulder completion, left shoulder hit, right shoulder will bring us to, we actually had targets over here previously, which we got in March. Right, 1,002, and after that potentially 1,005. These are hard targets, which means that we're expecting BNB to do well eventually. So yeah, if anything, I think this is the point where BNB starts the recovery. Right, this could be huge. It could be gigantic, right? From where we are to the target. Again, no guarantees. If BTC collapses, everyone is going to collapse as well. But as it stands, things still look pretty good for BNB. Solana. Okay, Solana is very, very bearish to me. Right, we've touched the skinny pink line. Previously, we didn't. We stayed above the skinny pink line. But we've touched it. So I suspect that it's only a matter of time before we go under it, right? Once we slice back through under the skinny pink line with proper volatility, bear season starts for Sol BTC, and more likely than not, Sol USD. So is there a potential for us to rise a little bit higher? Sure, of course. This whole thing could become like a head and shoulders, right? This is not what I would consider as a bearish reversal. So yeah, it's not really that clear. Over here, before it fell, there was a mountain range, right? Is there a mountain range? Okay, you can argue there's a mountain range as well. We could drop here, get another mountain before dropping. Yeah, but it's not looking good to me though. I think Sol is coming back down. There's going to be a correction. Right, again, noisy area over here. This is the expected target. 0.001 to be breached. Sol against USD. Here we are for Sol. Solana is also touching the skinny pink line. Both the USD and BTC pair. So it's not looking good to me. Right, how low could we go? Yeah, I'm expecting sub 25. Wait, 128. You're probably going to go sub 20 though. So this is still a long way down. Very long way down. At least 80%, I think. Maybe. Yeah, 84%. Yeah, but again, it's just not really that clear. Right. Here, again, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. That's it. We collapse. Yeah, there's this weak, stray weak. Where's the head and shoulders? It's a bit off for me. But such is Sol is behaving in a way where it's very bearish. Not very bearish. It's turning bearish, but where's the chart pattern? Where is it? Where is it? If we cut through the wicks, of course, mountain range, right? Yeah, no, it's not good. Solana is bearish. XRP against BTC. Okay, another one of the very few rare coins that could be turning bullish. Right, we are right under the skinny pink line. Right, of course, in the big scheme of things, we don't expect XRP to do well against BTC. Mountain 1, Mountain 2, Mountain 3. Sure, they could be rarely back up to the skinny pink line. But I suspect eventually we'll still come back down and we'll break lower to these lows. Potentially, right? So as it stands, XRP is not looking that good in the long run. But in the short run, yeah, there could be a break above the skinny pink line. That could trigger a bullish trend as you continue higher. Skinny pink line starts curving back up. Woohoo! Bullish case for XRP BTC against USD. XRP is okay. Let's look at it on Bitstamp. So XRP, we see have a target over here, $1.60, and after that $6.10. Just flipping the 1 and 6. Pew, pew. Right. But again, we'll take things one step at a time. We're not too sure about 610, but more likely than not, 160 would be hit. Potentially, we can go a little bit higher because if you look very carefully, 160 is just shy of the top over here. Right. Probably there'll be another target here. We'll probably get another continuation chart pattern over here that will give us another target at probably 250. And over that pump, we take a trade here. Right. But as it stands, yeah, we're expecting XRP to do well. 160, more likely than not. More likely than not for XRP. Dogecoin against BTC. Here we are for Dogecoin. Dogecoin is, yeah, not looking good. Nope. Double tap here. We're gonna get a mountain range, descending triangle, dropping lower. Yeah, no, not too clear. Against USD, yeah, we're very aware of the bearish. Potential big bearish chart pattern, but as it stands, this is a falling channel, right? Sure, we could break higher, but as it stands, I think the only thing that we're going to be breaking is all of these classes of buys. Pump. Are we going to get a bearish chart pattern here, descending triangle, or will we be breaking back up above the skinny pink line? Not too sure. If we look back into history, right? If we look over here, you can see that there was a kind of a falling channel over here, right? There was a strong rally, but we still remain under the skinny pink line, right? So the trend was still bearish. Eventually, we continue lower. You see that? So the same thing could be happening over here as well. There could be a rally. We might even take out the highs, but I suspect eventually we'll still hit lower. So Dogecoin is just not really looking that good. Excuse me. Until we see a strong rally back up, right, above the skinny pink line, we remain with our bearish bias for Dogecoin. Justin Sun, BTC against Tron against BTC. Yeah, it's looking pretty bullish. We're above the skinny pink line, back above it. Very long consolidation. Are we gonna get a breakout soon? Not too sure. If Tron does decide to go bananas, right? Oh, this could be huge though. Right, this whole thing could be an inverse head and shoulders in the making. Pum! Tron goes bananas. Right, taking all the classes of buys here and here and here. There's another one here if you look closer. Yeah, Tron could be setting up something big though. But we still need to see this first for Tron BTC. Tron against USD. Here we are for Tron USD. We're almost at all-time high. Is there anything bearish? Nope. Technically, we're still above the skinny pink line. The bullish trend continues for Tron against USD. Right, from the very bottom to the very top, it's 264%. More upside to be expected? Very likely. Yeah, again, it all depends on BTC. Should BTC decide to drop, then potentially Tron could drop back under the skinny pink line. So keep an eye out on the skinny pink line. As long as the price is still above it, we remain with a bullish bias for Tron. Ton against BTC. Here we are for Toncoin. We'll see CoinX. Oh, we touched the skinny pink line. Not good. Not good. Yeah. Ton could be coming back down for a wave C. A, down, up. B, coming down for a C. Potentially, we could be setting up to go under the skinny pink line. Ton against USD is also not looking good. Right. Ton against USD has touched the skinny pink line. This is not good. We were aware that this was a head and shoulders. Right. But we were like, At the point of time, we were still above the skinny pink line. Now we've already touched it. So I'm like, okay, this could be the end. We could be slicing back down. Right. Again, noisy area over here. Another one over here. So we are expecting the price to stop at around this area. Yeah, so again, if you look previously, we did drop back down to the noisy area, right? We did drop back down to the noisy area. You see this? We did drop back down here a little while, hanging around, consolidating before dropping lower. So I suspect we're going to the next level now. So if anything, more downsides to be expected for Toncoin. It's not looking good, bros. It's just not looking good, so stay safe. Sure, we have a target over here. And sure, if BTC starts recovery, we could be heading to 1350. But as it stands, we're not too sure how much longer this is going to be in consolidation, right? Or we could drop all the way back down. When will we consider 1350 to be invalidated? Depends though. I suspect once we hit here, yeah, we'll just consider it to be gone. Right? Because we'll very likely be far down below the skinny pink line. The bearish trend continues for Ton. Alright, boys and girls. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay safe. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. See you in the next one.